boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, 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 get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with the scoop. As you can see, there's big news today I have for you from Planet 13. Yeah, all of Mike Tyson's stuff is selling out. Yeah, his rainbow is selling out. That's not really the big news. The big news I'm talking about comes from the company. And congratulations to him. We did cover his rollout, and that was a good thing, and people are loving his brand. Congratulations, Mike T. Seems like you're another heavyweight winner in the cannabis industry. My show is about education and entertainment. We're boots on the ground. We go to different companies. We find out what's going on with the companies. We talk to the CEOs. We talk to the CFOs. We talk to the employees. We make sure everything's being copacetic within that company. A company we focused on early last year was Planet 13. Now, if you look at some of the previous videos, you know I walked through Planet 13 with Bob and Larry, the co-CEOs. I call them the new Bob Igers from Disneyland. We'll put Disneyland together here in a second here. You guys know I love theme parks. I love Kings Island, Cedar Point, Magic Mountain, SeaWorld. I love them all. You know, Knott's Berry Farm. Give me some Dolly World any day. Give me some Boulder Dash Mountain Coaster any day. I love them all. Give me Circus right here. I love them all. I like taking the kids to them and stuff. I really like enjoying them. But as you know, I'm an author. I'm a researcher. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a stockbroker. This is for education and entertainment only, and I have some great information. My books can be found on Amazon.com. Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks is one of my books that's out there. I list over 40 stocks, and I have a strategy that you can use the rest of your life. Another book is Investing in Medical and Recreational Cannabis, buy-in before, during, or after legalization. That book has some of the companies, new companies, fresh companies, that are starting to get their wheels now, and they're starting to rock and roll right now. Medical marijuana and CBD treatments, medical marijuana and CBD, a lot of promising treatments out there right now. There's some really good stuff going on right now. But I'm gonna tell you some more about the books and how you can enhance your education here a little later. But what I want to talk to you about was Planet 13 announced today record-breaking 420 holiday numbers. Now, a lot of companies are going to be talking about their 420. It was great. It was this. It was that. It was this. It was that. But there's no way that anybody can come close to Planet 13. Now, Planet 13, PLNHF on the over-the-counter, PLTH in Canada. Now, Planet 13 released numbers. Now listen to this. Released numbers.
Hey,
over 60,000.
It's Mickey D. Hey. Even Santa Claus knows who Mickey D is. Goddamn elf sent me down here to get some more pot. I mean, they smoked it all up on 420. They're going on strike. Why didn't you down here and get them some more pot?
I'm live though. Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad you listened to the show. Great. Appreciate it. Oh boy, when you get live at Planet 13, you never know what's going to happen. But hey, that's a great shout out. Hey, I'm loving it. But next week, Planet 13, let's get back to Planet 13. They announced record earnings breakings for 420, right? Nobody can really compete with them. They're like the Disneyland, man, of the superstore cannabis industry, man, the dispensaries. They're like, you're talking 3,500 paying customers. We're talking one day now. The average ticket was $91.11. We're talking over $318,000, my friends, in one single day. One day. So if that's any indication, and we were talking yesterday about big companies, small companies, talking about the market caps. Those are just a review. Those small cap companies under $1 billion, $1 billion to 10 mid cap, and those 10 to and up being large cap companies. Now, where does Planet 13 fall in? Planet 13 falls in still as a small cap company. But my friends, like I said, those other three companies, and you can look at that report from yesterday, they're not going to be there for long because these companies have it going on. And Planet 13, early on, I knew that the staff, and I knew that the CEOs and the managers and all, these are people that are seasoned. One thing they do is they hire vets. I love that. Shout out to all my vets all over the world. We love you. You're doing a great job. But they hire a lot of vets. They've got so professional, their staff and stuff, with great customer service and stuff. I knew that they were like a no-brainer. Just like one of the CEOs said, they're a no-brainer. I mean, this is one. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. But you put your money on Planet 13. I'm betting. This is Las Vegas, so it's betting's here. Put your money on Las Vegas, and you're going to really Planet 13, and you're going to really do well. PLNHF, PLTH on the other. Now, got earnings coming up. Earnings coming up next week, this time, Tuesday, probably after the bell, I believe. A lot of companies coming up with earnings, right? That's what I want you to look out for. In addition to looking at their revenues and their losses, make sure they're not losing a lot of, a lot of companies they're expanding, they're losing a lot of money. But we can deal with that if they're making a lot more money. So that's the key there. We like companies that make a lot of money, Planet 13, and they're not losing a lot of money. We love those companies. We love them, But one of the other things I want you to look for that's very, very important is the guidance of the company. Now, we can look at charts all day. Charts are a lagging indicator. I love charts. I look at charts. I look at hourly. I look at daily. I look at monthly. I look at yearly charts, 3-year charts. Sometimes I go out 5 years. You can't go that far out with these companies in the cannabis sector because they're not that mature yet. But, guidance is more of a leading indicator, and don't get it twisted. There's so many great chart guys out there right now. I love them all. I remember the days when I had to send a check off to get hard copy hard copy charts and stuff from what's the guy's name? Bernstein. I think Jake Bernstein. Jake had, back in the day, he had a really good chart service. And you had, before online and all that, and everybody kind of became equal a little bit. But listen to those subtle things that they say, that the CEOs say about guidance. Maybe if you get a chance to listen to a conference call or something, we want to open 52 more, we want to move into these states, maybe subtle, we want to double our earnings, and, listen close to that stuff. Because when you look at a chart, and a chart that's going, don't get me wrong now, long-term trends, charts are excellent. Even short-term trends, charts are excellent. If you're a trader, if you're a buy and hold guy and you get in early, now I'm not saying I'm a buy and hold guy because I trade also. And I've traded for years, as you guys know, from the Forex to futures to gold to E-minis. I've traded all that throughout my career. But I'll tell you, when you do the lead, and when you're looking for leading indicators, and you see a video of me walking through a place that, and I got a real feel about it, and you want to take that little plunge, maybe you open up a little account or something, and you want to $150, $200 or something, you want to spend dinner money on one of these, hey, talk to your advisor, and your money advisor, and they just may be able to help you with that. Now, Mickey, why are you calling this the Disneyland of weed, or the Disneyland of let me tell you why. See, because Disneyland started with one Disneyland. They had 2 places they wanted to go, but it was one Disneyland. And like I said, I love the other theme parks, and I love them all, but there's really only one Disneyland. What's up? How you doing? All right? I'm live.
Great, man.
Take care, man. Thank you, man. Thank you. You the man. Yeah. But there's only one Disneyland, right? And Disneyland is cool. But at the same time, you got, most of the money, right? A lot of the money in that area being taken by, like, Planet 13. Planet 13 is gobbling up right now. It's gobbling up a lot of what's going on. A lot of the tourist stuff is hitting people overseas. People want to come, just like Disneyland. People wanted to come from all over. They've got like a 20-year head start on Disneyland. And Disneyland, my friends, Disneyland is only 65 years old. And we're only talking a small world. It's a small world after all. You ever been on that boat ride and stuff in Disneyland? You know, my friends, that's only what, 50, 55, 60 years old? And Planet 13 has, Planet 13 has done some amazing things, my friends. But if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. Shout out, who was I telling about Planet 13 just yesterday? I was telling somebody, was it you, a boy infant? Was it John Snack? Was it you, the loner? The great loner himself? Was that you? Was that you, Carla? Was that Neurosis? No. Was that Shay? What was that you, JD? Somebody was saying something about, was that you, Cyberworld 7? You putting it down every day. So you may have said something about Planet 13 that I may have to talk to you about that. AJ, was that you? Was that Scott? Was that William? I don't know who it was, but I was telling somebody about Planet 13. Put your money, it was in Las Vegas, put your money on Planet 13. You will be able to retire, baby. You'll be able to retire on Planet 13, just like people retired on Disney stock. They're first out of the gate with this super concept. That's all you need. A couple more books, my friends. The largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farms in the world is out there. Just go to Mickey D, Amazon.com, and get your books. Yeah, somebody wanted to start talking about a GoFundMe account. No, just buy the books, man. Get your education, man. The African Marijuana Gold Mine, largest indoor and outdoor farms in the world. The Mineral Soil meets Wall Street, and Donald Trump. Who's that? JD? Don't get it twisted, man. Donald Trump is gonna sign 232, brother. Don't even worry about that. It's in the bank. Everything with him has to do with timing. Let the Russians do. If the Russians shot down an aircraft or something, God, I don't want anything like that to happen. But if something crazy happened with the Iranians or something, then he would be right there. He'd be right there signing it the next day, and we'd have a ceremony at the White House. That's the way it goes, man. When it's politically sound for him, or when he's on it, that's when he's going to do it. But hey, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. Hit that little button on the right-hand side there. So you see I'm updating that. I got the little subscribe button there now, which is something new. But sorry about the interruptions here. A couple little shout-outs. I love the people here. Planet 13 is one of my favorite dispensaries to go to. The people are so nice. The people are so friendly. There's a crowd from everywhere around the world. I see people that have seen me on these little videos from all over the world, and it's I'm honored. So thank you very, very much. God bless you and your family. Take care. Love you.